Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to Rukias Kitchen. Today I've collaborated with my fellow YouTuber Juhi's Kitchen. We are going to make different types of Ramadan snacks. I'll be making tasty cheese balls and Juhi's Kitchen will be making chicken egg kebabs. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please kindly do so you don't get to miss any of my videos each and every week. Then stay tuned to enjoy my recipe. On today's ingredients, you're going to need 1.5 cup of wheat flour. You're also going to need some cheese. You can use the curry cheese or any brand that you prefer. A bit of vermicille, 1 tablespoon of oil, 3/4 cup of warm milk, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of yeast, 3 tablespoons of milk powder, 3 tablespoons of plain yogurt, and lastly a pinch of salt. So the first step, in a bowl which has the wheat flour, you'll start by adding some salt, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 3 tablespoons of milk powder, 1 teaspoon of yeast, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 tablespoon of oil, and lastly 3 tablespoons of yogurt, and mix everything well and nice. Lastly, you're going to pour some warm milk. Pour a bit by a bit while mixing until everything is nicely combined and you get a dough. As you can see in the video, I didn't use the whole milk, I used approximately a half a cup. Continue mixing until you get a soft dough. Once you get a dough like this, you're going to knead the dough until the dough becomes super soft. Afterwards, you're going to take a bowl which you've used to knead the dough. Apply some oil in the bowl and place the dough inside and let it to rest for approximately 15 to 20 minutes. Meanwhile, while the dough is resting, we're going to prepare our cheese. You can use any cheese that you prefer. I'm going to use only 1 packet because I had 2. Then I'm going to cut my cheese into small pieces. Make sure when you're opening the cheese, do not open them all at once because they tend to melt so fast. Open the cheese one at a time. After approximately 15 to 20 minutes, our dough is ready and it's high time to shape our cheese balls. Take a small amount of the dough and place the cheese in the middle and shape it into a round ball as you can see in the video step by step. Repeat the same process until you're completely done with the whole dough. But make sure when you're making these cheese balls, the cheese is completely covered, or else when you're frying the cheese balls, they're going to burst in the oil. And it's high time to decorate our cheese balls with some vermicilles. Break the vermicilles into small pieces as you can see in the video. Once you're done breaking the vermicilles into small pieces, you're going to take 1 cheese ball at a time and dip it into the normal milk. Do not use water. Then afterwards, coat it with some vermicilles as you can see in the video step by step. Repeat the same process until you're completely done with all the cheese balls. And our cheese balls are ready and it's high time to deep fry them in the oil. Place some oil on a pan and let the oil to heat up. Once the oil is hot, you're going to dip in the cheese balls and deep fry them on a medium heat. Make sure when you're deep frying the cheese ball, the oil is not too hot or else the cheese balls are going to burst. Fry the cheese balls on a medium heat until golden brown color. Once the cheese balls are nicely fried and have this amazing golden brown color, then your cheese balls are ready, and remove them out from the oil and place them on a plate. And our tasty, crunchy cheese balls are ready, as you can see in the video. Lastly, I'm going to add some condensed milk to add an extra amazing taste to the cheese balls. And our tasty, delicious cheese balls are ready, as you can see in the video. Like, these cheese balls are super tasty. Enjoy with a cup of tea or milk and enjoy your cheese balls. Thank you for watching my video and hope you loved it. Please kindly don't forget to watch Juhi's kitchen on how to make egg kebabs. I'll put her link in the description box so you can able to check out her recipe. And if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please consider subscribing, and see you next time. Bye bye.